So I've got an update to the LED turn signal bulb install video that I did a couple months back where I was having trouble finding bulbs that worked for my truck. What I tried first was a Sylvania bulb, and it worked on my hazards, but when I went to turn my turn signals on, it did not work. So today we're going to redo that installation, and thankfully Lasfit lighting has come to the rescue with a set of their LED CAN bus turn signal bulbs with the built-in resistor and the whole circuit that you need. I don't know the technology behind it, but basically it's a full module that installs plug and play right into your turn signal socket, and you don't need a resistor, you don't need anything, you don't get any Hyperflash, and it's super bright. So we're gonna put those on the truck today. So Lasfit, I guess, saw my video and saw that I was struggling with my turn signal bulbs. Oh, I don't know what that is. And they reached out to me, and somebody wants to send me a message right in the middle of my video. What's up, man? I love the wrap you do on your Silverado. Do you do other people's wraps on the side? Except, go, Ranger, get over here. Get over here. And no, sorry, I don't. All right, so anyway, sorry about that. So Lasfit reached out to us about my bulb issue, and they sent me a care package, and in it we got our CAN bus ready LED 12 volt. I think the part number is T-7440A, and these work with the 2019-2020 Silverados with the LED headlights, and that's what we're going to put in the truck today. And they also sent me some cool stickers, and they listened. I don't know if you guys remember my last video or a couple videos back, I said send me some stickers other than white. So they sent me a white one, but they also sent me red and black. And then they also sent me this cool t-shirt. So it's got dog hair all over it. Lasfit t-shirt. So we're gonna rep that. That's pretty sweet. Thank you, Lasfit. Let's get these bulbs put on. All right, where should we put this one? Let's see here. Looks like there used to be another sticker there, but that's where that's going. Lasfit auto LED lighting. I think this is transfer paper. Yes, it is. Boom. Oh no! There we go. Cool. Now let's put these bulbs in the truck. Okay, so installation of this bulb is super simple. We're gonna pop our hood first. Then we're gonna go over to the driver's side compartment right here in front of your air box. Cold air inductions intake, sweet piece. We're gonna go right here, and you see that little plug with the red clip or whatever on it? Right beside that, there's a little tab. It's a circle, and it has like a finger tab where you can turn it. You're gonna turn that counterclockwise, like a quarter turn, and it should pull out. There we go. And you can see in there is your stock garbage halogen light bulb. So we're gonna pop that out of the socket real quick. We're gonna grab our Lasfit bulb right here. Look at that. That's a sweet looking light bulb. It's all fancy and heat sinks all over it, and I'm sure there's a chip inside of there with all sort of technology on it that makes it not Hyperflash. And we're gonna put this in the socket. So popping it in is real simple, same as pulling the other one out, like that right there. Nothing to it. It's a little bit longer than your regular bulb, but I mean it fits the same. Let's see. So yeah, it's almost double. So it's almost double as long as your original bulb when it's plugged in, but it doesn't have any problems fitting. It fits right in there. So let's put it back in the truck and see what it looks like. So installation is the exact opposite of removal. You're gonna feed the bulb down there, put it in the socket, and give it a quarter turn clockwise, and you're good to go. Sorry, I can't get in here to where I can film this. There's just not enough room. Simple as that. LED turn signal installed in that side. Stock turn signal on that side. Let's see what the difference is. Okay, so here's a perfect example of a potential with LED bulbs. So you can see that nothing's working on the driver's side. That does not mean that there's anything wrong with this bulb. LED bulbs are directional. You cannot put them in backwards or they won't work. So all we gotta do is pull this back out, pull the bulb out, flip it 180, put it back in, and it'll work. We're gonna take this bulb, we're gonna pull it out of the socket, just like that. We're gonna rotate it 180 degrees, put it back in the socket, shove it back down in there. Quarter turn, bam. Nothing wrong with the bulb. You just got to put it in. It's directional. And look at that. Look how much brighter that side is than that side. Crazy. And it's like a crisp orange too, as opposed to that's like a faded yellow. What the heck, Chevy? Why couldn't you put something like that in there from the factory? All right, now we got to do the other side. God, that's so freaking bright. Look at my face. It's like intense. And look at this side. Can you even see that on my face? Maybe a little bit. All right, so next bulb, we got the driver's side done. Now it's time to the passenger side. This is the exact same process, just over here. Right down in this little pocket here. And this time it's gonna be to the left of the little plug. We're gonna pull it out. Maybe you can see. There we go, that's a little better. You probably still can't see, but right there. Counterclockwise to get the bulb out. There we go, and this bulb's gonna be hot because I have my turn signals on. Let's see if we can, whoo, that's hot. Okay, we're gonna let that sit for a minute and then we'll swap it out. There we go, got the new one plugged in. And again, 50-50 shot on whether it's plugged in right, but the only way to tell is to install it. There you go, you can kind of see that hole a little better. See the little, maybe you can see it, I don't know. See that little bright spot? Right there. That's it. So you just pop the bulb down in that hole right there. Find the notch and then turn it clockwise like a quarter turn. There it is. Kind of clicks into place. Now let's turn our turn signals on and hope that we got it right. Turn signals on. This one works. Hey, I got it right first try. God, look at how freaking bright that is. I got my truck running now, so let's check and make sure we don't have a Hyperflash. Boop. You can see no warning lights here. And if we go outside, super bright. Let's check the other side. Still no warning lights. Off. Other side on. I don't know why one side would give me a warning light and one doesn't, but none on that side either. There you go. Pretty sweet. I mean, look at that. Insane. Look at my garage. Look how you can see it just flashing everywhere. Super bright. I can only imagine how bright these are going to be at night. I'll post a picture on Instagram to show you guys how bright they're going to be at night, but obviously not till tonight. If you haven't already, go to Lasfit Lighting's website. I'll put it in the description below and pick you up a set of bulbs. And again, I appreciate you guys for subscribing. I've already said that. I can't remember if I said that in the beginning of the video or not, but either way, thank you guys for subscribing. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button over here or wherever the heck I put it. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Cue the outro. I don't have an outro, so we'll see you guys later.